Here's a certified 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Welcome to a ride that is as spectacular as the scenery. It boasts an impressive list of features, like these: automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, configurable instrument gauges, heated steering wheel, power tilt-down heated mirrors, external memory control, aluminum wheels, keyless enter and go, and heated leather bucket seats. Everywhere you want to go, anything you want to do, Jeep takes you there. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We are conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.